Like,
You might want to turn that off. Oh, hi. You have your own spoon. Oh, yeah.
and bites like that big. And it's probably only going to be a couple of bites. Hold on. Let Mama get ready.
Okay.
Hi, honey. Okay, you ready? Is it on? Mm-hmm. Here we go.
Hey. Hey.
Get that away from me, Dad. What do you think, babe? Is that so yummy? Oh, you like it? Yeah, is that good stuff? You want some more? Well, give me the rest, Dad. Oh, I wonder if your hand was totally in the way for the...
Oh. Probably. But I have to tip it up.
No, just get her some more.
Hey. Hoo. Hoo. Okay. Here we go.
Try to keep your hand kind of down. Hey, Sweetums. Yummy. Oh, what do you think of that? Is that pretty good? That's good stuff.
Yeah.
Need some more? You want another bite? Want some more bites?
Like a puppy dog. Whoa. Hmm? Whoa. Oopsies. We got a drippy do on the hand.
Hi, honey. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I'd say it's a success.
Should we try to feed her more?
Yeah, give her it until she doesn't want any more.
Hey, what are you doing, you weirdo?
Oh my. Daddy's making a mess.
It's not me.
Good thing we put the blanket down. Try to scoop some of that off. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of pictures of this. Another bite? Another bite? She's making a mess.
I can't tell if she's ingesting it or just spreading it around her.
Oh, you're getting it on your outfit. I should have put you in something else.
More?
Yeah, why not? Hey, Peanut. Oh, shit. Oh, go. Hey.
That was a lot. She's like, I don't think she wants any more.
All done? All done? Let's see that face. Hey.
A boo.
Hey, you.
A boo. A boo. A boo.
Hey. How was it? So yummy? Was it pretty yummy? Did you like it? Yeah. You liked it. Avocado's not so bad, huh? Hey, sweetie pie. Hi.